All right, man, we coming to one of our clients' projects right now. He wants us just to finish up some work real quick so we can go in here and talk to him, kind of really just see what's going on and get some stuff done with him, man. That's really it. Let's get it. All right, so we couldn't film in there. He ain't all dressed and all that stuff. He feel like he ain't camera ready. I mean, my hair crazy. Y'all see me right now. I'm gonna show up regardless for y'all. But anyway, it's a very small project. Somebody kind of like ran off. I guess one of his contractors, they like got locked up or something. So I don't know. So we're gonna come in and help him, kind of get everything, where it need to be and, get the job done. You know how we do. So that's really it. This project could be a day project. It's a painting job. So it's like he had started painting and then just left, you know what I mean? Because he got locked up, I guess. But, hey, another man's mistake is another man's opportunity. What they say, another man's trash is another man's treasure. Yeah. And stay on, or I'm going to just have him look at it and then we come back out. But it's really probably maybe like 600 square feet, honestly, man. It's even less than 1,000 square feet. It's super quick. I mean, it's probably going to be like maybe no more than 4 hours as far as work goes. It might be 2. It's super small, bro.
So they need to go inside and see what's going on. Then they need to
You
go
didn't?
inside and see the project.
Right, Roger. What I just said is that.
Don't explain to him what is like to be done.
Right, I know that. Hear me out, Roger. What I'm saying is we're gonna go in and then come back outside and then me, you, and him can all talk. Is that okay? Here in like 5-10 minutes. Just call you right back.
Okay.
Okay. All right, come on. How you doing, man? Good morning.
Bueno.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Habla español?
Sí, poquito.
Yep. You can go that way. That door works.
Oh, out this way?
Right around the side of the house too.
Okay, cool. So I don't, you hear that? So you can go out this way too, if need be.
Huh?
If you need to go out this way, you can.
Okay.
Just if you need to.
Uh-huh.
So let's open up for you. You got any questions, Adam, for me?
Yeah, finish here.
Yeah.
Compal.
Yeah, I think he got some. He said he had some. Let me see if he gonna come. Cause we might just start in there first, and over here, and then finish here. Cause I think it's supposed to be. I'm gonna see if he got some, so we can knock it out. Oh, we may just knock this out for you. You sure your dude gonna come? Like, we might can just knock. He said you got the compound and all that stuff.
Yeah,
Though?
it's right there.
You haven't got a yeah, cause he cut this out. So yeah, he got that. Then we can.
Cut out. I know that. He was supposed to do this shit yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
It should be a perfectly cut piece there somewhere. It's not like a
Okay, cool. So we got it for you.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's do this.
Primer ceiling or no painting ceiling?
Yeah.
Primer.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for the ceiling.
Everything. Primer.
Yeah. And then how many, coach? You said 3?
Two coat.
You said 3.
I don't know. Maybe.
Tell me this. What can we do to settle it right now? Like I'm saying, it's not 1,000 square feet. It's about 500. I know you want to get paid. Your guys can get paid. I want to build a relationship with you so we can continue to do things in the future. You know what I'm saying? That's more of me. I'm a relationship person. And you already got a good referral from a good friend of mine. So we're going to work things out and figure things out. And we do a lot of work. So there's no, no thing with that. It's just kind of working together and figuring out how we can come together. You know what I mean? Okay, Roger. Okay. Let's do that. I don't want to, I don't even want to, I don't want to go back and like nitpick over little stuff. You know what I'm saying? If that's going to get it done, let's just get it done. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I want to learn. And then here's the thing. When you come back, the drink is on you. Okay? The drink, like for us to go get a drink. Yeah, a drink. Tequila. No, I know. I'm saying when you come, this is going to be done and over with. I'm saying when you come back in a month, right? When you come back, yes, we can go eat and we can go drink tequila. But the tequila's on you. Okay? Yeah. When you come back, the tequila's on you. I'm gonna show you how to finish project when we all set and done. And yeah, it's another day doing business, basically. All right, so this took about like 5 hours. 5 hours or so to do. Thank you. I appreciate your help. We got in, got out. The satisfied client and stuff. So I know you said the total was. He said just pay you everything, huh?
No.
He said just give all the money to you. Yeah, that's what he said. I just want to make sure it's all clear. It's all here. Thank you, man. Appreciate it for sure.